lecture of lesson number 7, algebraic expressions. I hope in the previous lecture whatever we have studied, how to add the expressions, that also you have learned well. Now let's continue with the same exercise. Question number 4. Method is same, children. Now the question is find the sum. As you know, the meaning of sum is what? Add. You have to add these two. So first, already I told you what you have to do. You take bracket in this way and write here plus sign, as that we find the sum. Now after that what we do, you have to collect the like terms. Okay, now just collect the like terms. Like terms means when the variable and its power is same. So 7x and 2x is what? Like terms. Now this minus 4y and plus 6y is also what? Like terms. So here you keep plus and now here write minus 4y plus 6. Here you always keep plus. In the bracket whatever the terms remains as it is. Okay, along with the sign. Now here we have collected the like terms. Now 7x plus 2x is what? 9x plus minus 4y plus 6y is what? You know, minus 4 plus 6 plus 2. So here we write 2y and now remove these brackets and the answer is 9x plus 2y. Okay. Now see this example, third one. Second you can do. Again, according to the heading, find the sum. So you have to add. So again, take bracket in both the expressions and write here plus sign according to the heading. A square b square minus 2. Now children, collect the like terms. You know a square b square. Here also a square b square. This is one pair of like term. Again here a and a. So make the group of the like terms. So here 6a square b square and minus 7a square b square. This plus keep as it is. Now here along with the sign, children, sign is not changing. Okay, we are just collecting the like terms. So this is what? Minus 4a minus 2. Now simplify. Children, remember addition and subtraction remains the same. Okay, so here 6 minus 7. First simplify the coefficients. 6 minus 7 is what? Minus 1. If you don't know in stuff also you can do that. 6 minus 7 is equal to what? Minus 1. So here you can write minus 1 a square b square. Here minus 4 minus 2. You know children, minus 4 minus 2 is equal to what? Minus 6. When both are negative you have to add. Okay. So right here minus 6a. Now just remove the bracket. So it will be, you know when 1 is there, don't write minus a square b square plus into minus 6a. Okay. Now let's see next question of this heading. We will solve here. All the sums are same only, children. Let's go with question number 4. It's 5th and 6th sum. Okay. Now see, this is the 5th example. Again the heading is same, find the sum. So first again you write down these two expressions in bracket and take plus sign. Okay, and again this also in the bracket. B square minus a. Now collect the like terms. Here you can write, if you want to write, that collecting the like terms. Now see, so here what is more important? The most important thing is what is meant by like terms. Like terms means what? When the variable and its power is same. Okay, so here a cube b, this is one group of like terms. So writing one bracket with the same sign and again take here plus. Now here a square b square b square plus this. Now here the third one, third pair 8ab. So this is ab and ab. 8ab minus ab. Okay. Now just simplify. Simplify the coefficients. 4 minus 6. You know, when one is positive, one is negative, you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So it will be minus 2aqb plus here minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1 a square b square. This remains as it is one time. Okay. Plus 8ab minus ab. Now with ab there is no coefficient. I already told you children, if there is no coefficient, what is there? 1. So 8ab minus ab is equal to 7ab. Now just remove the bracket. Before this there is plus, so it will remain as it is. Inside sign will not change if there is plus before the bracket. These signs will remain as it is. Okay, so this is how we can solve this example. Now let's see sixth example. Again in the same way, put these expressions in the bracket and put plus sign in here also. Now collect the like terms. So you can mention like this, collecting the like terms. Now which are the like terms? Here see x square and here is x square. So 12x square plus 6x square. Okay. Now again here x cube and here is x cube. So write along with the sign. Now here x and here x. So here 7x minus 6x. Here 6 and here minus 6, 6 minus 6. Now simplify. 12 plus 6, 18x square. Minus 1 plus 2 plus 1x square. 7 minus 6, 1x. 6 minus 6, you know, 0. The term, when the term is same and the sign is different, it is always eliminated. Eliminated means cancelled 0. Here plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Now remove the bracket. 18x square plus, sorry here, x cube is there. 18x square plus x cube plus x is the solution, is the answer of the given question. So just remember, you have to take bracket in both the expressions. Keep both the expressions in the bracket, use plus sign, then collect the like terms. Collect the like terms carefully and see children, maybe in the answers, maybe this term will be first or this term will be at last, nothing happens. Just check the terms with the proper sign. Terms with the correct sign. Means x cube plus x is also can be written as x plus x cube. Okay, so the terms may be here and there, but what you have to check, the terms along with the correct sign. Okay. Now let's see question number 5. So in this way I think you can do question number 5. Add the following. Okay. Here three examples, three expressions are there. We will solve only one example of question number 5, and that is which one we can take. Let's take fourth example of question number 5. Remaining is just like that. Again the heading is add the following, so you have to add. Again you see here three expressions are there, 1, 2 and 3. So take all the expressions in separate brackets and put the plus sign. Now is equal to, so take this first, this is your first expression plus second expression, then again take plus, and this is the third expression. Okay. Now you know you have to collect the like terms. Don't miss any like term while collecting. Okay. So see here a. Here there is no a. Here there is a. Okay. So 7a minus 6a. Now here there is b. Here is b and here is b in power 1. So put here plus. So here plus sign, and here it is minus 6ab plus 4ab plus 2ab. Okay. Whatever the like terms, as you can see here, a was there, here there is no a, so we will not write, nothing happens. Okay. Now see, after collecting the like terms, sometimes what happens, students missing to write the like terms. So for that there is one solution. You count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 terms are there. It means we have collected all the like terms. Now 7a minus 6a is a. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So it is 7b. Minus 6 plus 4, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. You see, if I will simplify these two, I am getting what? Direct also I can write. Okay, you can write direct also. This is minus 2ab and here plus 2ab. And you know minus 2ab plus 2ab is what? 0. So what is the answer? Your answer is a plus 7b. So I hope you understood how to add algebraic expressions. It's so easy and very important also, because the same type of sums are there in the upcoming classes also. Okay, so now let's move to question number 6, subtract. Question number 6, subtract. Remember children, the same type of sums we have done in lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In all these lessons where you have to add and subtract. Just see, there we were adding integers, rational numbers, fractions, and here you have to add the algebraic expressions, but the method is same. Okay, means what? Adding is subtract 3a from 2b. Here I have seen many students make mistakes, but there is nothing to make mistake. Subtract 3a from 2b. इसका मतलब ये है कि 3a को 2b में से माइनस करना है. तो अगर 3a को 2b में से माइनस करना है तो पहले कौन आएगा? 2b. ओके, एक सिंपल एग्जांपल में बताती हूँ. जैसे आई विल राइट सपोज subtract 2 from 1. 2 को 1 में से माइनस करना है तो पहले कौन आएगा? 1. एंड 1 में से क्या करना है? subtract. तो subtract का साइन लगेगा. क्या subtract करना है? 2. So this step is very important, and according to that you have to solve. Okay. So the same is here. You have to subtract 3a from 2b. Whenever adding is subtract and from word is there, 2b you have to write first. So from 2b you have to subtract 3a, and now just see what will be the answer. Here you can see there is no like term, so it will be 2b minus 3a is the answer. Okay. Yes. See, as there is no like term, so direct what we are getting 2b minus 3a. Now let's see this one. You have to subtract minus 3x from minus 9y from. So you have to write this first. So minus 9y you will write first. From minus 9y you have to subtract minus 3x. So let's write, remove the bracket. Before the bracket there is plus, so this sign will remain as it is. Now before this bracket there is minus, so this minus becomes plus. Or you can say minus into minus is plus 3x. Now here there is no like term, so here the sum is over. If there are like terms, so you have to collect it and you have to simplify. But here there is no pair of like terms. So this is how you can subtract. Now let's see question number 7. There are 2 examples given. Let me explain you 3 examples given. No? Okay. Let's move to question number 7. Let's see question number 7. Heading is subtract the following. Again you have to subtract this expression from this expression, or you can say you have to subtract first expression from second expression. So in the same way here, as there was also from, so this expression you have written first. So here also which expression will come first? This expression, because from word is there. Remember children, first step is very important. Now from. So which expression? Second one you have to write first. sign. Which expression? First one. So this you have to write. Now see, you know, whenever there is minus sign, you first remove the bracket. Okay, that will be easy for you. Okay, here, and afterwards we have to collect the like terms. So before this bracket there is plus, so this will remain as it is. This all the terms. Now before this bracket there is minus. So whenever minus sign is there, you know this all sign will change. As here also minus was there, so this minus become plus. So in the same way, this plus 4x square become minus 4x cube. This minus become plus, and here it will be minus. Okay, you know minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus. Now you know children, you have to collect the like terms. Okay, now let's collect the like terms. See, x cube and here x cube. So you can write like this, 3x cube along with the same sign. Sign will not change, remember. And here you can make always plus. Nothing happens. Okay. Now, see, x square and x square. So here it will be minus 7x square plus 5x square. Again take here plus. Here you, before the bracket here, when you collect the like terms, that time you can take plus. Now here minus 5 and minus 6. Now just simplify. 3 minus 4 is, you know, minus x cube means minus 1 plus minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2x square plus, you know, minus 5 minus 6 will be minus 11. When both the terms are negative, you have to add and put common sign, that is minus sign, whatever the sign there, minus 11. Now just remove the bracket before this bracket plus, so this inside sign will never change. This is your answer. Okay, so minus x cube minus 2x square minus 11 is the answer. Plus into minus is minus. Now let's check out this. Again the heading is separate the first expression from the second expression. This is your third example. So in the same way you have to proceed. Method is easy, and this is your horizontal method. From this you have to subtract, so put subtraction sign. Which one? The first expression you have to subtract. Now remove this bracket first. Before this bracket there is minus, so this sign will change, and minus into minus plus. Minus into plus is minus. Now you know you have to simplify this step, so you have to collect the like terms because the like terms are available there. Here is y square and here is y square. So take bracket. Direct also you can simplify children. See, 2y square minus y square is equal to 1y square. So you can direct also write answer. In the same way, 6x square y square minus 2. So 6 minus 2 will be 4, 4x square y square. That also you can do. 2y square minus y square. Here you will always take plus while collecting the like terms. And now here x square y square, and here is x square y square. And here you can see minus xy and plus 5xy. Now simplify. Just simplify. You know 2 minus 1 is 1. Will be direct. I am writing now y square. Here 6 minus 2 will be 4 plus 4, so plus into plus is plus 4 x square y square. Now here you can see, here you will get 5 minus 1 is 4, 4xy plus 4xy, and here so answer is plus 4xy. Okay, so in this way we have completed question number 7 also. Okay. Now, question number 8, 9, 10, we will see in the next video, in the next lecture. I hope you understood all the sums, whatever we have studied today. Okay, beta, work hard, practice more, because you know, practice makes man perfect. Okay, so I hope all the sums you will solve carefully. Okay, and one more thing, pay attention towards the sign. So till the next lecture, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.